Want to clone yourself using AI, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to show you how to use CapCut, the app on your computer, and I'm going to walk you through how to clone yourself from start to finish. I've already done it myself. I'm going to share with you some tips from the feedback that I've gotten from what I've done with my clone. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's jump into it. Let's create a clone of yourself. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go into CapCut, okay? So when you create a new project in CapCut, it's going to look like this, create project. And in order to clone yourself, the key move here is you need to go to the text option up here, and you need to add in some sort of default text. So I'll click default text and I'll add that in. Once I do that, I can click on this text right here, and then top right corner is AI avatars right here. When I click on AI avatars, it's now going to show me clones of other whatever AI versions, but I just want to create one for myself. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just choose the AI avatars. I'm going to click customize. Here's my old clone that I did before. Okay. Once you create your clone, you can select it and then you can change the text and essentially have the avatar of yourself say that text. Okay. If you want to customize and create your own, you click right here, right? And you can upload a video. So how this works is CapCut charges credits. If it's your first time doing this, they've been pushing this out pretty hard. You might be able to create a free one like I did. After that, they're going to start charging you credits every single month. Once you do that, you can go ahead and pay with the credits. You're then going to go ahead and upload a video. So what does this look like? I'm going to show you right here on this screen. When we upload a video, there's a couple things you have to do after you click customize. Now it gives you instructions on how to upload your video, but key takeaways here, you want to have a video anywhere from 10 seconds to 5 minutes. I uploaded a 3-minute video. It's really just of you talking, your mannerisms. Do you move your hands when you talk like this? What does your voice sound like, right? We want to get that right. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and drag and drop the video in. Make sure it's not too large of a file size and it's going to fit in. And then, of course, it's going to now use AI to analyze this footage to try and create the AI version of yourself. Pro tips for you, something I didn't do. We want to have good lighting. We want to use a good camera. We want to use a good microphone so we can hear ourselves, and all that stuff I think matters, okay? After you upload this video, what it's going to ask for is it's going to ask for consent. So then you're going to record a video of yourself giving consent to allow CapCut to use yourself and create an AI version of yourself. So then you'll go ahead and do that. That'll take you, a minute to do that. Boom. Now you've given consent, right? It's going to now start uploading your video. It's going to take some time. Okay. It said 20 minutes for me. I found this took about roughly an hour. So basically I let it there, stay there for about an hour, then I came back to it. Okay. Once it's done, you can come back in here and now your avatar will be created. So what does this look like? You can see here on this screen right here, I went ahead and I took the text file. So again, back in the CapCut, right, I could click on this text file and I could change my words, right? Boom. I could say whatever I want. Now what I would do is I would essentially grab this avatar and bring it in, and I would have it overlay and customize it. So now the avatar would be me and say those words. That's how we do it. So I went ahead and did that here, right? You can see I went text, I typed in the text, I then saved it, and then went ahead and started creating my avatar. Boom, boom, boom. Generate button is right down here once you click on it under AI avatars. And then lastly, it's going to go ahead and spit it out for you, okay? So you can see here I had to actually create 2 versions of myself.
Today I'm going to teach you about all the latest and greatest AI tools and resources for real estate agents.
Okay, that sounded very robotic, right? Here's number 2.
Hi, I'm Jared Larkin with Chicago Title. I specialize in partnering with real estate agents and mortgage lenders to help them grow their business and make their lives easier.
So here's what I think about this. I think I got the hand motions correct. I think I got the face, the voice, pretty darn, not the voice, the mouth. But the voice, of course, in my opinion, sounds robotic. It doesn't sound like me. So it's almost there. It's not there yet. They need to improve the voice. Maybe that was my fault because I didn't record it at a high enough quality. So maybe I'll do it again. Or you could try a competitor. There's Captions app. There's HeyGen. There's a bunch out there that are also attempting to do this. But if you want to try this with CapCut, that's exactly how you do it. You go ahead and clone yourself with AI. I'm Jared Larkin. I'm with Chicago Title. If you want to learn other tips, tricks, real estate ideas, resources, especially if you're in the real estate space, visit my website, milehighTitleGuide.com. If you'd like to receive other marketing tips and ideas, sign up for my email newsletter right here. We'll give you access to it. And of course, reach out to me, especially if you're here in Colorado in this market and would like to work together. Would love to talk to you. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.